If you use India's laborers, India's farmers, India's workers, you will not need the army, navy and air force to be standing over there. If India's farmers, laborers, small and medium businesses were strong, then the President of China would be wearing a shirt made in India. And I can guarantee you that Chinese people would be driving Indian cars. That Chinese people would be flying in Indian aeroplanes. That Chinese houses would have Indian carpets. Why is this not happening? Because our government is insisting on helping 5-6 of India's richest business people and killing and destroying India's true strength. You are using the Indian Army, the Indian Navy, the Indian Air Force to protect India from China. If you use India's laborers, India's farmers, India's workers, you will not need the army, navy and air force to be standing over there. China will not have the guts to come inside. So now let us discuss. The first anti-worker, anti-farmer action taken by Narendra Modi on purpose to weaken you was demonetization.